Ever wonder why athletes love coconut water so much? Well, there's more to this tropical drink than meets the eye. Coconut water, a clear liquid found in the center of young, green coconuts, has surged in popularity over the past few years, particularly among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. And it's not just because it tastes like a vacation in a glass. This isn't merely a passing trend or a fad. Scientific evidence supports the myriad health benefits of coconut water. From its hydration capabilities to its nutrient-rich profile, coconut water is a natural, health-boosting beverage that athletes swear by. And it's not just for athletes. Whether you're a fitness buff, a casual gym goer, or someone simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, coconut water can offer benefits to all. In this video, we're going to delve deeper into these benefits and uncover what makes coconut water a favorite among athletes. So, let's dive into the world of coconut water and understand why it's the athlete's favorite. First and foremost, coconut water is a hydration powerhouse. This natural drink is teeming with electrolytes, specifically potassium, which is essential for maintaining fluid balance in our bodies. When you sweat it out during a workout, you lose vital electrolytes, and coconut water steps in to replenish them effectively. Now, let's put coconut water head-to-head with popular sports drinks. While these drinks may have electrolytes, they often come with a hefty dose of added sugars and artificial ingredients. On the other hand, coconut water offers a natural alternative, providing the same hydration benefits without the unnecessary additives. It's like nature's sports drink, keeping you refreshed and replenished. And the best part, it's all natural. No artificial flavors, no synthetic colors, and definitely no preservatives. It's just pure, unadulterated hydration in a nutshell. Or, in this case, a coconut shell. So, the next time you finish a workout, consider reaching for a coconut water for replenishment. Not just hydrating, coconut water is also low in calories and rich in nutrients. Now let's dive a bit deeper into this. When we compare coconut water to many other beverages, it's startling how low in calories it really is. A small glass of coconut water contains fewer calories than a same-size serving of most fruit juices or sodas. But it doesn't stop there. Coconut water is not only light on the waistline, but it's also a treasure trove of minerals and vitamins. It's packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. And let's not forget about vitamin C. It's there too, supporting your immune system and keeping your skin healthy. So it's not just about hydration or the refreshing taste. Coconut water brings a whole lot more to the table. It's clear to see why athletes prefer this nutrient-packed, low-calorie drink. Beyond hydration and nutrients, coconut water also supports digestion and heart health. Let's dive a little deeper into this. The high fiber content in coconut water aids in the smooth functioning of our digestive system, helping to prevent constipation and promote regularity. This makes it a great choice for those seeking natural solutions for digestive health. Moreover, coconut water has been linked to lower blood pressure levels in some scientific studies. This is largely attributed to its potassium content, a mineral known to counteract the effects of sodium and thereby regulate blood pressure. By maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, we can reduce stress on our hearts and decrease the risk of heart disease. Of course, while coconut water can contribute to heart health, it's not a magic bullet. Balanced diet and regular exercise are also key to maintaining a healthy heart. With these benefits, it's no wonder coconut water is a popular choice for athletes and health-conscious individuals alike. So, we've explored a few reasons why athletes love coconut water. We've unraveled how this tropical drink stands as a hydration powerhouse, packed with electrolytes that replenish the body, making it an excellent post-workout drink. We've also discovered its nutrient-rich profile, brimming with potassium, calcium, and magnesium, providing the body with essential nutrients while keeping our calorie intake in check. But the benefits don't stop there. Coconut water also supports our digestive system, helping to keep things running smoothly. On top of that, its heart-healthy attributes can't be overlooked, with studies suggesting that it may help reduce heart disease risk. In sum, coconut water is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a natural, nutrient-dense beverage that supports hydration, nourishment, digestion, and heart health. This is why it has become a favorite among athletes and health enthusiasts alike. Next time you're thirsty after a workout, remember these benefits and consider choosing coconut water over other beverages. Your body will thank you.